I like trains.
Hello everyone, I am here at Rising Ridge Road Crossing right down there. We've got a local, L128. It is about to depart here, and it's got a Jeep on it, CSX 6490. What's going to happen is this train is going to back up here all the way down into the west end of Plain Siding, and then they're going to switch the locomotive around to the front and it will go west. We will not see that part, we're only going to catch it here, but it will still be nice to see. 6490 is ex-Chesapeake, Ohio, Chessie era, so always nice to see a standard cab on the old main. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, here we go. Now it's doing the same thing down there. Alright guys, that was pretty cool. Thanks for watching. I'm here with Old Main Productions. It's the Old Main guy signing off. Next time, CSX 6490. Everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever it may be.